All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So onward, onward, to go. Yes. I moved onwards and upwards in life. You always want to move onward. Yeah. How cool is that? I moved onward to the castle. Yeah. I am always moving onward through life. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. We sailed onward to the coast. I drove onward to Scotland. Yeah. How cool is that? We went onward together. We went onward together through the forest, for example. Yeah. I am moving onward in life. Yes. You have to keep moving onward in life. Yeah. We want to drive onward on the road. How cool is that? Yeah. It has been a long road onward over the years, a long journey onward in life. Yeah, it is a long journey onward in life. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use onward in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.